Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy flower box arrangement. You know the kind I'm talking about, the kind you see on Instagram that costs like $1 million, and although they're super gorgeous, a little outside of my tax bracket. I don't know about you, but I figured we would make a super easy arrangement that you can replicate. So all you need, of course, are flowers. Now, if you decide to use artificial flowers, that's fine. I have a couple around my house that are made of artificial flowers. I was in the mood for fresh flowers today, so I picked up a bouquet. I actually picked up 2 bouquets. So I picked up a bouquet of flowers. These were like only $10 and they're gorgeous. And then a block of foam. You can get this from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, whatever you have near you. You just get a block of foam, a bowl of water to submerge the block of foam in, a box. Now I have a beautiful Barney's box that I got a gift in, but you can use, any small gift box. You can even use a shoe box. I've seen people take a shoe box and like layer it in some sort of paper, or they put I've seen people spray it, however you'd like, but I'm going to use a really nice black Barney's box. And then trash bags. And then you're going to take your box, there's nothing in it, and then you're going to layer the bottom of the box with your plastic. The damp foam board does not fall through, okay? So you'll see here, I just kind of layered the bottom, and I'm not adding any sort of, tape or anything. That'll be fine. So layering the bottom. Now, I'm going to take my foam board and just submerge it in the water a bit. Well, not a bit. I'm actually like really submerging this. So take this, submerge it in the water, and then we're just going to stick this in the box. Take the damp foam board, layer it along the bottom of your box.
Okay, so I sped this part up a bit, but basically all I'm doing is taking the leaves off of the stems of the roses to give this more of a sleek and luxe look.
Long stem, super clean roses. Okay? Now, what you're going to want to do is, this is where it could get a bit tricky. You want to measure how far down you're going to need. Now, I'll be honest. I'm a gal's gal, so I can't say, oh my God, I was just going to say I can't say that I have measuring tape, but my husband has measuring tape. So listen, you don't have to get this technical. I would normally eyeball this, I'm not even going to lie, but for the sake of this video, I won't. So let's just say we measure here from top to bottom, that's about 5 inches. So I would say from the top of this rose, again, this is like, when I say doing the most, I really would normally not do this. You want it peeking out a little more, so I'd say about 7 inches. My plan to have my flowers just be in this box, the box is bigger than I expected. So thankfully, I did buy 2 bouquets of flowers. I'll speed this up so it doesn't get redundant for you guys. Some people actually enjoy this part. What about ASMR leaves? No? Alright, so what I'm going to do is just take the flower that we currently have and, measure it next to each other. We're not going to reinvent the wheel here. No need to, let's turn these this way. No need to reinvent the wheel, my friends. Cut this off.
Okay, so if you don't want to use real flowers, you can actually use artificial flowers. Where I got this idea from is for my bridal shower. One of my best friends, Sandra Bailey, she put together these stunning centerpieces for my Chanel Paris themed bridal shower. And all of the arrangements were like these gorgeous artificial flowers in these Chanel inspired boxes.
Time to set up our beautiful flowers in the box. Now I added more foam simply because I realized that the box was much bigger than I anticipated. I eyeballed the box and it looked small and I was like, oh, it'll work. Yeah. The foam board is still very damp. So let me can see. And now what I want to do is layer it. All right, dolls, that is the end of this super quick and easy tutorial. This is our flower box arrangement. Look at how stunning. And so you can choose to either, whether you're giving this as a gift, Mother's Day is right around the corner. This is just a really unique way to display, your arrangement. Or you can have them displayed in your home, as I will. I'll probably put this, on our coffee table and have some candles around it. And it's just a unique way to display, your flower arrangement. So try this quick, super easy tutorial. Again, the box and the supplies are very inexpensive. You can get a box from your local dollar store or party supply store. And even if you wanted to do a ribbon, the ribbon kind of gives it more of a luxe feeling. So you could just buy a ribbon, put a ribbon around the perimeter of the box. And yeah, really simple, easy tutorial. If you're a flower girl like me, I mean, this is just a really beautiful way to display your flowers. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.